everyone, welcome to another video with Mr. Math. Today we will be solving multi-step linear equations. Okay, let's jump into this problem. We have -3 plus 5 times x plus 6 equals to 37. As we can see, we need to solve this multiplication of the coefficient 5 times the binomial first. So we'll have -3, and then the 5 needs to be distributed times the x and times the 6. So 5 plus times x will be 5x, and 5 times 6 will be 30, equals to 37. Okay, let's solve the like terms. We know that this -3 and this 30 could be combined. So we'll have 5x plus 27 equals to 37. Let's subtract 27 on both sides, and what do we have? We will have this 27 minus 27 cancels out, so on this side of the equation we only have 5x. 37 minus 27 is 10. Let's divide 9. Now let's divide both sides by 5. Okay, what would happen? The 5 and the 5 is gone, and we have x equals to 2. That is our solution. Okay, now let's verify if this solution is valid for the equation. How can we do that? Let's rewrite the equation and replace the value x equals 2 into this initial equation, and let's see if this is true. -3 plus 5 times x plus 6 equals to 37. So remember, we're going to replace this value of x by this x equals to 2. So we'll have something like -3 plus 5 times 2 plus 6 equals to 37, which is -3 plus 5 times 8 equals to 37. -3, 5 times 8 is 40, equals to 37. And -3 plus 40 is 37, equals to 37, which is correct. Okay, that confirms that x equals to 2 is solution. Thank you so much for watching this video again, and remember that you can send your questions, your problems. We will be happy to create content for you.